Welcome once again, all men, women and children, and all infants worldwide, especially the little children and the little infants who shall inherit the lands worldwide, protecting the common law rights once they've learnt their rights lawfully. This vlog is entitled Contract Law Explanation, Part 2. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. So I wanted to go a bit more into depth regarding a contract law and how you go into contract with or without consent. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. Your consent is held at the county court. Be aware of this. Your rights and your consent are held at the county common law court, which they will fail to recognize. Be aware of this. So when these molesters are enforcing their statutory acts and trying to make money for corporate greed, these molesters from you, and also causing harm, injury and loss in the process, and also even assault and also even murder and covering it up while they're working for money, illegally and unlawfully, violating the traditions, principles and customs. Be aware these molesters have no morals or beliefs. They have no traditions, principles or customs, or morals or beliefs. These police administrators, these county court administrators, the IPCCC, the Independent Police Complaints Commission administrators, the council administrators, the hospital administrators, they're all involved in this. Be aware of this. This is one big international pedophile ring and theft by deception ring being carried out by these molesters in the governments worldwide, ladies and gentlemen. They will never reveal the truth. They have a system built on lies and deception. If they operate a theft by deception racket, they fail to announce this, anybody in their media, be aware of this. They fail to announce what I announce, as you're aware. In the first vlog ever recorded, where the police agreed and took full responsibility to protecting Jimmy Savile, Lord General Rolf Harris and even the ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath. All handled agreed. They failed to come into contract with me and pay the damages, the molesters, for this form of molestation. Be aware of this. These molesters get away with even murder, unlawfully and unrighteously. These are big transgressors and molesters. So as you're aware, your consent is held in the county common law court. So you'd have to write to the corrupt administrator there, sitting up there, advising him a breach of verbal agreement has occurred. This is why you have to be recording these molesters. They will make many, many lies up, these molesting thieves. And even when you are recording to the molester, judge will still side with these molesting pedophile protectors. Be aware of this. They'll even claim you have a form of mental illness if you do not agree with their statutes, acts and policies. Their statutory acts, their statutory policies and statutory rules. These are not laws. Be aware of this, all men, women and children and all infants worldwide who shall inherit the lands, be sovereigns of the lands, taking on further molestation. Be aware, you're aware of even being to the court, grab the molesting judge with the sheep's wig on his head, the molester. Even carrying and clutching the Holy Bible with my name and my title printed in the Holy Bible, with the address also, signed from Great Britain, England, with a signature in there, signed and sealed. Be aware of this. I send all affidavits signed and sealed. So as soon as they break the seal, they become personally and individually liable for Judgment Day, these molesters, and they'll even fail to reply. Especially when I have to write one form of letter on one page regarding a pedophilia especially, and molestation which these molesters are up to continuously, and also theft by deception worldwide. There's no judge who will provide the remedy or relief. There's no county court administrating judge, paedophile protector, who will provide the legal remedy, equitable relief, also the cure and maintenance and the lawful justice. Be aware of this, all common law litigants, all civil litigants, all men and women who are trying to uphold their rights, their lawful common law rights. So I'm informing you, this is tyranny and transgression. So as you're aware now, you go into contract with or without consent. This is why these molesters, even when you advise them, I do not consent, I do not agree, these molesters do not care. They have a duty of care for money, not a duty of care for you. They have a duty of care to steal from you. Be aware of this. From members of the public, they must steal, these molesters, worldwide, for their illegal and lawful balance. Be aware. I've even uploaded how I settled the balances with these molesters. And then they have to run away perjuring themselves and molesting thieves. And they all gang up, including the county court transcribers, the molesting thieves, paedophile protecting transgressors, with the county court administrating judges, with the sheep's wigs on their heads, these dirty tyrants, transgressors and molesters and killers of the poor people. I announce it lawfully once again, all men, women and children worldwide, be strong. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your traditions, principles, customs, and your morals and your beliefs against these molesters. Be aware, once you have to write to the county common law court, these molesters will fail to recognize anything has occurred and cover it up and strike the case and matter out, the molesting paedophile protectors. Be aware of this, that many cases struck out by the molesting thieves playing games with me in the court, the molesting paedophile protector wanting to strike the case out, the molester. And I advise them, you're acting in breach of trust. You're not on your oath of office, you're a molester. You're a paedophile protector. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the problem lies, that your rights and your consent and your voice and your opinions are held in the county court, in the county common law court, in the family county common law court, where they will fail to recognize anything has happened. So they will have to pay the money for their own damages, for the legal remedy, equitable relief, cure and maintenance, also lawful justice. This money and some sum of compensation must be paid from the public funds, which they cannot allow. The big transgressors and molesters and paedophile protectors worldwide, all these police administrators, all these county court administrators, all these council administrators, all the news media administrators, all of their administration is corrupt, part of a demonic paedophile protection racket worldwide, and theft by deception racket. I announce this lawfully. Here in England, as you're aware, Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and even their ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath, the molester, and also along with the children's football coach Barry Bennell, who was recently apprehended, were all given the full help of the police to carry on their paedophilic activities, and the Freemasons helping them. Be aware, these are high-end demonic fraudsters, protected by pedophiles within the governments worldwide, operating international pedophile rings. This is how deep this goes, and they keep covering it up and claiming people who talk about these things have a form of mental illness. These are the molesters in the government who are mentally ill and pedophiles. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. These are the full molesters who have mental illnesses and fail to recognize any form of rights or law. They fail to recognize any form of common law, rights, trust law, human rights law, administration law, equity law, holy Bible laws, common law, and the barter law. Ladies and gentlemen, these must be restored. Hold your hands up together once again lawfully to the heavens. And hope our voices reach up to the heavens and the Anointed One, Holy Jesus, returns on the land, ending this demonic pestilence and plague all over the land worldwide. End of vlog.